Hi, band. Welcome back. Today we are on rhythm chart 11, which is 16th note. So this is totally new for you guys today. This lesson is all about going smaller with our counting. Technically speaking, you could go smaller and cut down note values to infinity and beyond. But for the purposes of our classes here at the beginner and middle school level, 16th notes is probably about as small as you will see. If you are a woodwind player, you might see some smaller note values if you're studying your all region music, things of that nature. But typically, this is kind of as small as you will go. If you play piano, you might see some smaller note values than this. Basically, what we are talking about when we're talking about 16th notes are these notes here in the second measure. You will see that they have two bars at the bottom instead of one bar. So we have learned that when we are one beam, when we beam notes together with one single beam, that makes them an eighth note. When we have two beams, we are cutting the eighth note in half. So if you will look at measure number 2, this is the downbeat of count 1. And this third note here is going to be the upbeat of count 1. So basically what we're doing is we're putting two notes on the down and two notes on each up. We're going to count this with the syllables 1, T, te, there's your upbeat, and then ta. 1 T, te, ta. Sounds like one potato. 1 T, te, ta. And you can see the second grouping here. This is the downbeat of 2 right here. So this is 2 T, te, ta, 3 T, te, ta, and 4 T, te, ta. And measure number 1 is identical to measure 2, to measure 3, and measure 2 is identical to measure 4. So if we do the first two measures, then we've got this whole line together. So I'm going to count this for you. And I'm going to leave out the clap here because you have enough to work with right now with getting the 1 T, te, ta. So I'm going to say this slowly. Here we go. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te, 1 T, te, ta, 2 T, te, ta, 3 T, te, ta, 4 T, te, ta, 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te, 1 T, te, ta, 2 T, te, ta, 3 T, te, ta, 4 T, te, ta. So it's kind of a tongue twister, isn't it? Once you get the hang of it, it's fun to say, though. Let's do that line again. Down, up, ready, and go, T, te, ta. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te, 1 T, te, ta, 2 T, te, ta, 3 T, te, ta, 4 T, te, ta, 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te, 1 T, te, ta, 2 T, te, ta, 3 T, te, ta, 4 T, te, ta. So let's check out line number 4. All right, so we have some 16th notes here on count 1 and 2, and then 2/8 and a quarter. And it looks like these two measures are the same, and the last two measures are the same. So here we have some eighth notes, and then on 3 and 4, we have a series of 4 16th notes. All right, let's give this one a try. Down, up, 4 T, teta, 1 T, teta, 2 T, teta, 3 T, 4, 1 T, teta, 2 T, teta, 3 T, 4, 1 T, 2 T, 3 T, teta, 4 T, teta, 1 T, 2 T, 3 T, teta, 4 T, teta. And if we look at line number 7, we have eighth notes on counts 1 and 2, 3 T teta, quarter note on 4. So what we're doing here is we're just moving the position of the 16th notes. Here they're on 2 T teta, 1 T teta, 2 T teta, and a 4 T teta here, and then 4 T teta on the last measure. So let's do this measure. Down, up, ready, and count. 1 T, 2 T, 3 T teta, 4, 1, 2 T teta, 3 T, 4, 1 tita, 2 tita, 3, 4 tita, 1, 2, 3 te, 4 tita. So these are really fun to practice once you get the hang of the 1 tita, 2 tita. And so good luck as you work on these. We'll see you on the next video, guys.